Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, October 30th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. Hope everybody had a really nice weekend. Little house cleaning. There will be no video tomorrow morning. I have an appointment in the morning. Hope to be back by late morning to be trading, but I will not be here for the majority of the morning into possibly the early afternoon. I wasn't here on Friday. I see after doing my work last night, after making a new low in C period, but not being able to take out, at least initially, Thursday's low, we went and made and took out both sides of the IB, only to miss a 17 white overnight POC. Unbelievable. And then later in the day, went trend down again. Well, right now, the majority of the overnight has been above those single prints. In fact, the overnight hasn't even gotten into the lower distribution. 14 wide point of control, and right now we're pushing towards Friday's high. Remember, nothing changes in the market in the bigger picture. It can't change until we start doing small things, which would be to take out a daily high to come back into balance. We have a lot going on this week. You have the end of the month tomorrow. You have the Fed Wednesday. You have Apple Wednesday night or Thursday night for the following morning. Then we have non-farm payroll on Friday. NQ doing the same as us, as is Righty. Now, Righty did not have a trend day on Friday. They did not have a trend day. Keep that in mind. Neither did NQ. So ES and SPY were the only ones that did. NQ stretched an 18-month balance low. Remember, you don't automatically go down even though they take it out, especially for that longer time period. So we're going to have to see now, is that all that the Russell does and they start returning to the other side of balance, or at some point are they going to get through it? As far as today goes, again, possibility depending on where the overnight high is of front running it. If you get the overnight high, I would think the odds of coming back to balance on a daily are pretty good, and then finally getting that overnight 17 wide POC. Wouldn't surprise me if we came back into balance right prior to the Fed on Wednesday. So that's one play. And then on a pushback, this is a really good risk reward long against the overnight low and the lower end, the upper end of the lower distribution. So those would be two early plays in the market. And then on the chart, so again, nothing can change until we take out a daily high. If we take out Friday's high, you'll initially come into a 3-day balance, okay? We're below, obviously, the 200 now for 3 days in a row. Look at the way the 20 is curling big time towards the 200. Again, I don't pay much attention to those quote-unquote death cross and things of that nature. But it's something that other traders do look at. More importantly for me would be to see eventually if we can get back over this 200, or do we get rejected the next time we come towards it. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.